Hey guys, this is Sal and welcome to yet another episode of Technical Wednesdays. Technical Wednesdays में आप सभी का स्वागत है and this is I think episode number 3 in Technical Wednesdays series जहाँ पे हम लोग जो 7 step process understand किया था हमने Basics of Technical Analysis series में which was price, pattern, volume, momentum, volatility, time and sentiment. तो इन 7 step process को in depth implement करने के लिए we are choosing Nifty and Bank Nifty as the major indices जिसमें हम लोग overall 7 step process को in terms of long term, medium term as well as short term, that is monthly, weekly and daily time frame में understand करेंगे so that based on that 7 step process हमें समझ में आएगा that what's all happening in the market, whether it is in terms of monthly chart, weekly chart or even daily chart, and based on those time frames, based on the candle patterns which are getting formed, based on the confirmations which we are getting, उसके basis पे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, that's what we are going to discuss in this episode. Right. So first of all, if you're someone who is new to our YouTube channel or even on Facebook page, and if you haven't yet checked out our Basics of Technical Analysis series, मैंने link description में share कर दी है. Make sure you check it out. From video 1 till video 17, step by step आप हर वीडियो को देखो at least two to three times. And you just don't have to watch those videos. You also have to implement all the concepts. You have to at least backtest 100 charts a day so that you can have a strong grip of every single topic which we have discussed in that series. Right. So let's quickly have a look at what we have for today's day in terms of technical Wednesdays. Right. So सबसे पहले अगर हम लोग निफ्टी 50 का चार्ट देख लें, so right now we'll straightforward jump onto the monthly chart itself so that we can understand कि लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है. राइट. सो एज ऑफ नाउ लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेंड काफी बुलिश लग रहा है. मंथली इज अबव 60 विथ वेरी गुड बुलिश कैंडल एज ऑफ नाउ. एंड अब तक देखा जाए तो वी आर ऑलरेडी डाउन बाय 11 days in this month, यानी कि today is 11th of this one, right? 11th of June. So based on that, again including the weekends and weekdays, 11 days already complete हो चुका है. So based on that, this is a very great position to be at after such a great, you can consider correction on the lower side, uske baad war situation and all of those things. Still right now it is a very great situation on monthly chart. Then अगर हम लोग वीकली चार्ट देखें तो राइट नाउ छोटा सा इंडेसिसिव कैंडल फॉर्म हो रहा है एंड इट इज स्लाइटली अबव 60 इटसेल्फ, बट जब तक वो प्रॉपरली उसके ऊपर क्लोज नहीं होता है वी वोंट कंसिडर दिस एज अ बुलिश कैंडल, और अल्टीमेटली वी वोंट कंसिडर दिस एज अ प्रॉपर ब्रेकआउट. एंड until and unless it doesn't break out, we won't go on the longer side in terms of Nifty 50 options. Right. Then we have a daily chart. अगर यहाँ पे देखें तो again daily is also above 60. देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे resistances हैं and since last 3 days वहीं के वहीं तीन bearish candles form हुए. So until and unless we don't get any strong confirmation candle on the bullish side, till that point of time हमारा perspective अभी bullish नहीं होगा, because ये जो काफी tight squeeze वाला range बना था, in fact I discussed that in last week as well. तो जब तक उसका proper breakout नहीं होता है तब तक it's not gonna make sense. So we'll have to wait for that. And again, resistance is a resistance until it's broken out. So we'll have to wait for proper breakout candle to happen, and usko bhi confirmation milne ke baad, then our perspective will turn on to the bullish side itself. Right. So that's what the overall perspective for Nifty 50 is all about. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty, and then we will be able to understand कि overall banking sector में क्या चल रहा है. Right. So as of now, अगर हम लोग monthly chart से शुरू करें, again monthly depicts long-term trend, weekly depicts medium-term trend, and daily depicts short-term trend. So as of now, monthly chart is above 60 and it's at all-time high zone, which means banking sector is actually performing really very good as compared to Nifty 50 itself. And long-term trend काफी अच्छा bullish दिख रहा है. There are no such you can consider there are no such signs of concern or any signs of problem so far. And weekly chart देखा जाए तो it is again above 60 itself, but as of now देखा जाए तो जो वीकली कैंडल है उसका ओपन हाई सेम है. एंड अगेन वी वोंट जज दिस कैंडल अंटिल एंड अनलेस द ओवरऑल वीक गेट्स कंप्लीट. सो देयर इज अ फेयर पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यहाँ से वो बुलिश कैंडल फॉर्म कर जाए. अगेन जो हाई है उसको तोड़ के अगेन इट कैन फॉर्म अ बुलिश कैंडल एज वेल इफ इट गिव्स वेरी ग्रेट बुलिश मूवमेंट. अदरवाइज वो छोटी सी बेरिश कैंडल भी बना सकता है. राइट. देन वी हैव अ डेली चार्ट. यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो एक्चुअली इट्स अ सीआईपी जोन. सीआईपी, लेट मी जस्ट ड्रॉ हियर. CIP is nothing but change in polarity, where the previous resistance becomes the support or the previous support becomes the resistance. vice versa चलता है. So as of now जो पिछला वाला resistance था उसके अभी भी उसके आसपास अभी भी काफी सारा एरिया है where Nifty Bank can actually come down and then it can form bullish candle, it can give proper confirmations and then it can move forward on the upper side. So there's a very good space on bank nifty side, but nifty 50 में थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंसेस पे ही है. सो अगेन जैसे कि मैंने बताया, रेजिस्टेंस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस अंटिल इट्स ब्रेकन आउट. तो अगर हम लोग निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का कंपैरिजन करें, सो बैंक निफ्टी इज परफॉर्मिंग रियली गुड. एंड अगेन बैंक निफ्टी में भी what you can do is you can actually opt in for private banks and PSU banks so that you can understand कि कौन सा sector outperform कर रहा है, whether it is private banks or it is PSU banks, so that you can actually choose the outperforming stock for trading on the longer side. And if it's on the resistance, अगर वो breakdown कर रहा है, so you can actually go for the short on those stocks itself, right? But as of now overall perspective जो है थोड़ा सा resistance के आसपास है. अगर strong bullish candles मिल जाते हैं तो अच्छे से breakout हो सकता है, and then we can get very good movement on the upper side. But if not, अगर वो resistance को जो है respect देता है, and if it moves down on the lower side, so probably we can see consolidation for next couple of weeks as well, right? So let's see. We'll have to wait for proper confirmations, and we'll have to wait for candles to get formed so that we can actually form our decision whether the market is going to go on the upper side or on the lower side. Again, we don't have to judge that. Market में जो कुछ भी होगा, if it breaks out तो हम लोग long जाएंगे, if it breaks down or it resists तो अब हम लोग short करेंगे. That's what the overall fundamentals, like the basics of technicals is all about, right? So I hope that you're absolutely clear with what I explained in this video. Please do make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, we have already started our meditation channel as well. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. The link is given below in the description section so that you can actually work upon your inner self and you can actually align with your inner version as well. That's what my main intention through that channel is all about. So make sure you follow us on that as well, and make sure you start doing those meditation practices so that you can connect with your own self, right? In the meantime, make sure आप जो भी हमारी पहले की series है, that is basics of technical analysis, and there are a couple of other series also which are based on mindset, which are based on risk management and so on. So you check those series as well so that you can have holistic approach towards trading, not just about learning the strategies and tools and systems and so on, right? Because trading is not just about systems and strategies, it's also about risk management, and it's also about psychology about trading as well as money. And again, there are a couple of new initiatives which we are about to launch in next couple of weeks. तो उसके बारे में आप सभी को हम update देते रहेंगे. So make sure you stay tuned for that and hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.